Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to fix Windows 11 PC or laptop not shutting down issue. It is a very common error and I give the two multiple solutions to fix this simple error. Okay, main reason of this error, we update our Windows 11 and then this shutdown issue is appear on our Windows 11 PC or laptop. It is a very common issue and I fix this issue. Okay, first I click on the start, type control panel. Click on the control panel. In control panel, find power options. Click on the power options. In power option, click on the choose what the power buttons do. Click on the choose the power button do. Okay. Here we find many options. Click on the change setting that are currently unavailable. Click on the change the setting that are currently unavailable. Okay. And here in shutdown settings, we find one option, turn on fast startup. Just uncheck this. If it's like this, then uncheck this. In my case, this issue is not appear and this option is not available on my PC. It is available on the laptop. So turn on fast startup recommended. Just turn off like this, okay? And save changes and restart your machine or shut down your machine and your problem is solved. If this problem is not solved by this issue or by this solution, then I give the another solution. Another solution is go to the start, type CMD, right click on the CMD, type CMD, right click on the command prompt and run as an administrator. Run as an administrator with very IMP. Click on the yes. In CMD, just type power CFG space H off. Just type this power CFG space H space and off and hit enter button. After that, just type exit. Okay, and go to the start and just restart your machine, and after that you can go to the shut down your machine. So guys, this is the simplest two way to fix this issue in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.